Ring, ring, ring.
Hi babe, it's Girl Mika here, and welcome to Chumika with me. So for today's chika, I'm gonna share to you my 5 favorite Kyla pieces. Ito yung mga pieces na sobrang love ko talaga and really close to my heart. So without further ado, Chumika na tayo. Itong mga pieces na ipapakita ko, ito yung mga Kyla pieces that is really important to me and may special meaning sa akin. I feel like these are the hashtag TBK made for me. So for my first hashtag TBK made for me, this is the tiger necklace. This is my first Kyla piece. Binigay siya sa akin as a birthday gift nung friend ko nung junior high, si Adrian. It's my favorite because honestly, lahat naman ng nireregalo sa akin, I really value them. Aside from that, hindi ko alam kung bakit etong tiger yung binigay niya. Maybe because tumasyan ako and roar, 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 tiger spirit! Hindi ko alam kung ito rin yung reason at alam niya na favorite princess ko si Princess Jasmine. And as we all know, Princess Jasmine has a tiger. And I am Princess Jasmine and I have my tiger. So, char! Also, spirit animal ko rin talaga kasi yung tiger. Roar, tiger spirit. The next TBK made for me is this pearl necklace. Because mahilig ako sa pearls. Feeling ko kasi it's simple yet it is elegant. And lakas niya lang makaganda and dalagang Pilipina.
Dalagang Pilipina, yeah.
Kaka-pretty girl yung pearls. Tapos sobrang simple niya lang and versatile siya sa lahat ng outfit kahit anong suotin mo. Parang babagay siya, may 8-bit casual or something formal, bagay ang pearls. I feel like ganun din kasi ako. I want everything to be simple yet classy, or gusto ko bagay ako sa lahat, like bagay ako sa'yo.
Shoo!
One of the many reasons why I love TBK is hindi lang siya puro necklace lang or bracelet, ganun. Meron din siyang rings and meron din siyang mga watches. And it also caters accessories for men. Meron siyang TBK men. And ito, meron siyang glasses, guys. And sobrang love ko to kasi ito yung frame na wala, nakakaganda lang talaga. Like, oh, diba? Pak, ganun. Sunglasses na gusto kong isuot kapag punong-puno ng negativity yung mundo. Pak, I'm blocking all the negativity. You are all tinted. Well, I cannot see you. Girl, back off! I really love this frame, guys. Plus, Frances yung name ng frame na to. And fun fact, Francesca kasi yung second name ko. So, Frances. Ayun. So, my 4th TBK fave is this I love you so bad bracelet. Super pretty niya yun. So pretty. And I love Lainey kasi guys. Nagpunta pa ako ng concert niya noong 2018. So, and I love TBK. I love you so bad, TBK. Oh, my heart hurts so good. I love you so bad. Yeah, TBK, I love you so bad. Yeah. And I'm also so bad at singing. And yeah, hindi na ako makanta talaga. Never. Last but definitely not the least is this Dreamcatcher necklace. Kasi this necklace symbolizes me. I always consider myself as a dreamer. Kasi I am a dreamer and I am a believer. And I have a lot of dreams and I chase them. So yan, also nung dibu ko guys, sa mga close friends ko dyan, nakatandang dibu ko, alam nila na dream cap yung favorite ko. And ito yung pillow na giveaway sa dibu ko. May dream catcher, tapos meron siyang nakalagay dito na make your dreams happen. And it's something na I really try my best to do. To catch more dreams and make it happen. Kapag suot ko to, feeling ko I can catch more dreams. Also, antukin din ako. Feeling ko, it will catch bad dreams. Sa lahat ng panaginip ko, sobrang ganda na ganun. So, I really love this one. So that's my chika for today and my 5 hashtag TBK made for me. So, ikaw naman ang chumika cause I wanna know what's yours. Join our hashtag TBK made for me. Just post a selfie featuring your favorite Tala by Kyla pieces. Tell us kung bakit ayun yung favorite mo. And be as creative as you can be. Of course, don't forget the hashtag TBK made for me. There will be 8 winners. So babe, ano pang inaantay mo? Mag-selfie ka na and share us your TBK made for me. I really can't wait to see what's made for you. So go ahead and join and see you on my next chika. Bye! Hey, it's your morena girl with dimples, Mika. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!